Want us to see how to change a battery of a Peugeot 2008 and a Peugeot 208. Let's have a look. Step 1. You must remove the positive terminal from the car. So what you do, you just remove it like this. You remove the positive terminal. Step 2. You remove this part like this. And then step 3. You push this part. You remove these cables like this. And then you push this computer to the front this way, and then you remove it this way. Step 3, you remove this computer as well that way. And then now you remove this cover like this one, like this. Yes, and the rest you just look for T10, and then you open with the T10 this negative terminal, and then you remove your battery, and of course you remove another bolt down there, and then you just remove your battery. So when you are done, you just take it back like this. Very simple that way, and then you just put it back. Very simple like that, and then you take back the switches like this, and then you take back this computer as well. Very simple. And then you take back the positive terminal this way. Very simple.